to give you an example is that let us say you've got different age people, let's say people of my age group or older, coming to learn new digital technologies, for example, right? The fact that you are so, old, and the older you are, you might actually get 1 point for actually turning up for the workshop, because that means you've taken a bigger challenge, right? So I think it can be used in that way. But the interesting question is the value of points and badges. I think that's that's the other interesting aspect of the whole discussion, which I think we should focus on is you could issue badges till the cows come home, but I think those badges and points need to have some value, and they don't need to be monetary value, although it'll be nice to have monetary value. But this whole concept of rewarding people in gamification through meaningful rewards, I think is really important, and I think something that needs to be considered.